Welcome to the Big Seattle RV Show. We haven't missed one of these shows ever, and we're happy to be back this year. Because, times being as they are, there are more RVs and more stuff here than we've seen for quite a few years, so it's nice to feel the show back again. If you're an RV'er, this is the show to attend, because this show is all about guns and RVs. And they kind of seem to go together, because we did a poll one year, and we asked these RV'ers, gosh, do you guys ever travel with a gun? 9 out of 10 admitted that they did. So we think probably everybody, or almost everybody, in an RV is traveling with a firearm. And so we're here giving free classes. Here is there a gun in your RV? And so every day we'll do that. Today is Saturday. We'll also do it again tomorrow. And at 2 o'clock, you can join us here for a free class. We also have other things to do, and you'll find information on classes. Some new classes are not on the website yet. So here's where we introduce some of those classes before we get to the website. And so this is the place to find it. And we also always have RV pricing at the RV show. So if you ever thought about doing it, time is now. And so I look forward to seeing you here at the Seattle RV show in Lumen Field.